We've all been there before. You're driving down the road, minding your own business, when you hear the noise. So, what do you do now? Well, you can ignore it, because it'll probably get better on its own, right? Or you can take your car in to K&N Automotive and have us look at it. That way we can be sure that it gets better. When your car is having problems and you need professional help, bring it to K&N Automotive, where we have the right people and the right tools to solve your car's problems. When you walk through the door, you will be greeted by one of our friendly service advisors, who will listen attentively and take notes of your concerns before getting your vehicle into the hands of one of our expert technicians. Once the technician pulls your vehicle in, they will get to work diagnosing the issue and finding a solution for your problem. They'll also go over the entire vehicle and perform a courtesy inspection so you can see the overall health of your vehicle. We will present the results to you with an estimate for repairs, then perform any work that you authorize. As the work is finished and everything has gone through one final inspection, we get the keys back into your hands so you can get back on the road. Because at K&N Automotive, your experience matters to us.